Alright, shalom, shalom. Check it out. There's a disturbance going on in the Gulf. Look at that sucker developing right there. That's uh, brewing up to be a heck of a storm. I don't know if it's gonna hit Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, or Alabama, but it's right near Mexico City though. In Mexico, it's just developing. It's getting more and more power, man. More and more steam, like a train, you know, like a locomotive. It's getting more steam. Wherever this storm hit, it's gonna be like a bowling ball from the Most High. Strike again. So once again, this country's under judgment, and no matter what you devils think, so 400 years of slavery, you getting your ass handed to you. All right, all right. I'm gonna do another video. But look at all this damn disturbance. Look at that. If you look at it, right, these two right. Okay, look at this right here. This can be a disturbance. Right there. This can be these two right here can be a one big disturbance. Or they can be two different ones, right? Okay. This can happen, but it probably just be rain. This is a perfect one example. But these two down here can get some steam going and head this way. Trying to see where some more coming from. See something. I don't know where this Sagresa C came from, but they ain't nothing but a damn Bermuda Triangle. The hell they changed the name for? Damn. Hamilton. What the hell is this? Have anybody heard of the damn? Oh, St. George. Let me see. Bermuda. Okay. Oh, my bad. That's the first time the name showed up on my map like that. Hamilton. These storms making these little islands famous, huh? Emilio Estevez said, I can make you famous. Look at all that. Liberia, Sierra Leone, Senegal, Ghana. What Gambia? The Gambia is right there. Ivory Coast. Let me get up, man. I got a class to study. And I'll tell you guys about that too. About this thing. Once I get done with this class I'm taking. Uh, it's something to get into uh, as an entrepreneur. So another earthquake. Wait a minute. Wait. Another earthquake. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see. 3.9. Damn. What I like about this map is it shows earthquakes. And California been hit with they been getting hit with little earthquakes here and there in the Bay Area. That's the Bay. Ain't it? Somebody let me know. That's in the Bay Area. And that's Sacramento right there. Santa Rosa. San Jose. I think that's the Bay Area. Yeah, that's the damn Bay Area. They keep getting hit with earthquakes over there. You know, hey, it's a lot of stuff going on with this. And then it's a heat wave, y'all know, on the West Coast. Real bad heat wave, like in 100. It's like, it's a heat wave. You know the crazy part about the heat wave? The South don't have a heat wave. We have a lot of rain, but we don't have like a heat wave. Look at that. I think Canada got a heat. Let me see something. Look at the weather right now on the very top. This thing is slow. 94 degrees. Let's see Canada up here. It's going to be 106 degrees today around 3 p.m. in Oregon. Let's see. Let's see right now. Don't know who's calling me. All right, people. I don't know who called me, man. You guys see that? Heat wave going on. Whoever called me kind of messed up though. But there's a heat wave going on the West Coast. Real bad heat wave. So, all right, man. So long, man. Just want to show you guys this. It's another storm right here. Storm Enrique. Is it Enrique? Enrique Iglesias. Storm right here. A little wind right there in Atlanta, going towards Atlanta. Hey, man. We're in a very crucial climate right now. All right. Y'all take it easy, man.